Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this leather office chair that this brand sent to me for the video. I tried it and I think it could be really good for two scenarios. I want to say number one, for decorating your home office. If you like to have everything kind of like in composition of the golden accents or black or whites, because this one also comes in white. And if you like to have some kind of like a stylish office chair, this could be the good one. And the other one is for home office. I gotta say that this one for home office, not very tall people, because I'm just going to show you that I'm 5'10". I weigh 190 pounds, and you can see that this one has no headrest, but still supports right, kind of like it gives a really nice distribution of your shoulders and your back. So it could be for tall people, but not super tall people. By the way, I'm 190 pounds, and this one supports 350 pounds. And another thing that I want to talk about before I show it to you in a closer look is the assembly process. Everything is just this little sheet over here. So you're going to see that it's super easy to assemble. It's going to take you probably like 20 minutes with power tools, or 25 minutes, no more than that. But I'm gonna stop talking and take you on a closer look so you can see this beautiful chair from a close-up. So as I was telling you before, one of the best things about the chair is how it looks. I mean, it looks really nice with all the stitches, with this kind of like a honeycomb pattern over here with the golden accents. And of course, it has golden accents everywhere, as you can see right there on the armrest, right here on the sides. The legs are also golden. So again, this could be a really nice decoration, but not just the decoration, because this one is also comfortable. It has that really nice lumbar support over here. And this right here is super firm, so it's going to give you that really nice sitting posture and more cushion right here on the edges for a better circulation. These ones right here are also padded, but these are fixed height. You can't modify the height on the armrests. These are going to be fixed, so take that into account. And take a closer look right here to this golden accents, that they look fantastic. And as you can see over there, the golden accents extends right there to the legs as well, so they look really, really good with the legs and also the wheels. But one thing that grabbed my attention on this chair is how tall it can go. So you can see that this one goes really tall right here on the sitting position, and I can touch the floor with my feet, but not that much, I have to say. But also now it's gonna be locked, so I'm gonna unlock it, and you're gonna see that also comes with this really nice rocking feature. So you can actually chill a little bit with this rocking feature and just like relax a little bit if you're working from home or something like that. So I gotta say, this chair could be beautiful, yes, but it's also comfy. I like it. I think it could be one of the good ones. 350 pounds, looks fantastic, and of course it's really easy to assemble as well. I like it. I'm gonna recommend it with a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.